Hi. So, this is my presentation that just shows how everything works in my Hadoop stuff. So, first of all, it shows a link between, or explores a link between poverty data within England and class sizes in England. It covers two data sets. The first one comes from gov.uk. This one holds every school in England and it covers a lot more information I really need, as I'll show you in a second. It holds it from 2019-20 to 2014, I believe, but I'll double check that in a sec. The second set is poverty data, which I got from the Office of National Statistics. It covers a bit England and Wales, but I can just filter the Wales one out and use only England, and it covers 2017. I'll take you over to the lab computers now. A bit ahead of myself there. And show you, start off with showing you data sets a bit more. So this is school data. As you can see, it is extremely detailed. What I'm interested in is the number of classes and the head count. It's pretty simple to generate an average for each. I can then order it by LA name. So there's North Yorkshire, so on and so forth. How I'm doing this is because the number of classes, number of schools even. This one, for example, in Yorkshire, they're actually using 305 schools. Generate that, so divide these two together, and then divide by 7 again to account class sizes, and you have a rough estimate of the amount of class sizes for each year group. Then poverty data is a lot simpler than the last one. So it has location name again, which relates back to the last, and then poverty data, this one we're using here, it just has a percentage of the amount of population in poverty before housing income. Also show you sizes as well. So this data set is only 7,000, whereas the last data set is substantially larger at just under 90,000. Right of it is though, and we filter it by year. So let's go through now. So I've showing you, I'm just filling everything into Hive. Well, put into Hadoop first. So just using the mBari to do that. Then upload it to Hadoop. Load up to Hive. And using SQL to extract the data I need. So this one goes to skill data. This is what I was talking about before. It gets the head counts, adds all it up, gets the number of skills for each region, adds it all up, divided by 7 to get average class size, assuming each year group has only one class. So I'll just execute this. And then just only 17-18 as the poverty data only covers the year 2017. I'll then group it by location name and generate a table like so. It has commands column 1, but it is the average class size for each location in England. I can then save this to the Hadoop or as a CSV onto the lab computers and put it onto Hadoop from there, and then re-upload to Hive, which is done so as class size. Next is the poverty data. So again, I'll just execute this while wait. It selects the name and also calculates the average poverty data for each location. So sums up poverty data and then divides it by the amount of locations it's summing up. And then again grouping by LA name. Down a bit. And much like the last one, for each location, it generates poverty data. And again, save them to Hadoop and then put them back in the Hive. This is my SQL query I'm using. It takes class size and it takes poverty ref. Let's run this. So it essentially just takes the two and mashes them together. The image here being the where clause, where it selects the two that are equal. And it comes out of the table like so. as before with the Welsh stuff, there are some counties that are on the poverty table that are not on the English table. For instance, the first one here, Barking and Dagenham. If you go the whole way back to here, see that is not the first here, and that is actually a lot more. These are all places in Wales that are not actually appearing on the first table here. But because of the way this has been done, it just completely takes them out. Next is then actually viewing the data in a way which makes it easier to see. Currently, you can't really make many actual stuff from this, so I put it all into Zeppelin. Show this first. So it opens up the results table and then orders it by poverty ref. I've done this twice, as you see in the PowerPoint. So first, so poverty ref, let's run this. As you can see, it comes out the table. I'm actually plotting two at once, and it's ordered by poverty. Yeah, as it's ordered by poverty. And then it looks quite nice, and also it calculator shows if there's relation and where there are relations or not. But yeah, that is everything I have to show you. Thank you for your time. Hopefully having a good Christmas.